Just look at the videos on this channel. Each of their videos is gaining massive views. One of their videos, with just 3 million views, made more than $24,000. And these types of views are made entirely using AI. This channel has gained more than 400,000 subscribers, using only AI-generated content. When I checked their monthly earnings on Social Blade, I found that this channel made more than $90,000 per month just from AdSense revenue alone. Now, if you think making these types of AI videos is hard, don't worry, you're on the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these types of fake, AI-generated animal documentaries with almost zero effort, because most of the work is done using these master prompts. I've already updated the prompt PDF link in the description, so you can check it, download it from there, and use it for yourself. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process, from channel creation to video editing, using only free AI tools. So make sure to watch the whole video till the end. And now, without wasting a single second, let's dive in. Now, to make these types of videos, first you need a channel so you can upload videos on it. And for creating a channel, we need a unique channel name so our channel can stand out in the crowd. For the channel name, simply head over to ChatGPT and paste this first prompt here. You will find this prompt in the PDF, so make sure to download it. Otherwise, you can also join my Telegram, so you can directly access the PDF and get any other upcoming AI updates. The link is already in the description. In the prompt, it asks you how many channel names you want. You can choose any number. I simply go with 20. Then hit next, and ChatGPT will start generating all the channel names. Now your work is to go through each name and select the one you like the most. Once you have selected your channel name, it's time to generate a channel logo. For that, again, go back to the PDF. And below you'll see the channel logo prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. In the prompt, it asks you to enter your channel name, so simply copy your channel name from above and paste it into the prompt. Then hit next. ChatGPT will start generating a logo, and in a few seconds, you will have your logo ready. Now simply click on it and see how it looks. Honestly, the logo looks very good. Just click on the download option and download it from here. Once that's done, let's move on to the actual channel creation. For that, simply head over to YouTube. Here, you'll see the sign-in option. Just click on it. You'll be redirected, then click on Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Now it will ask for your channel name. Simply paste your channel name here, just like I did, and then hit Next. After that, it will ask for some additional information, and then your channel will be ready to go. Now to add your logo, simply click on the logo option, and you will be redirected to YouTube Studio. Here, you'll see the profile picture section. Simply click on Upload, upload your logo, then click on Done, and then click on Publish. Now your channel is fully ready to go, and now it's time to make the video. And for that, first we need to analyze this channel. For this, simply head over to the PDF document, and below you can see this Analyze prompt. Now just copy this entire prompt from here and go to ChatGPT. Now open this YouTube channel and take a screenshot of the channel name and subscriber count, just like I did. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. After that, go back to the channel again and take screenshots of these channel videos, so everything is clearly visible, like thumbnails, titles, and view counts. Then again, go back to ChatGPT and paste those screenshots there. Once everything is added, simply hit Next. ChatGPT will now start analyzing your reference channel, and in a few seconds, you will have all the details. At the top, it will show the channel name and subscriber count, which is not very useful for us. But below that, you can see it provides us with important information about what type of content this channel uploads. Below that, it also shows you the workflow for making these types of videos. Honestly, this step is not even necessary, because this video itself is your diamond. If you just follow this video, you already have everything you need. But still, this analysis helps ChatGPT understand the niche better. Once it has analyzed the whole channel, it's time to ask ChatGPT for video topic ideas. For that, go back to the PDF, and below you can see the topic prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here and go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the prompt, it asks you how many topics you want. I simply go with 10, then hit Next. ChatGPT will now start generating topic ideas, and in a few seconds, you will have all your topics ready. Now simply go through each topic and choose whatever you like. For example, here I like this third topic, but I also like this second topic, so let's go with this one. Now simply copy this topic idea from here. Now we need a script for our video. And not just any ordinary script. We need a script so ChatGPT can understand what types of scenes we want next. For that, go back to the PDF, and below you can see this script option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the prompt, it asks you to enter your chosen topic idea, so simply paste your topic from above into the prompt. Then it asks how many minutes of video you want. Since this is just a tutorial, I simply go with 2 minutes. Then hit next. ChatGPT will now start generating a great script for you, and in a few seconds, you will have your full script ready. Now it's time to ask ChatGPT for scenes for each line of the script so we can make our video easily. For that, again go back to the PDF, and here you can see this scenes prompt. Simply copy this entire scenes prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the prompt, it is written that each scene should be 8 seconds long, so it will provide them accordingly. Then hit next. ChatGPT will now start generating scenes, and in a few seconds, you will have all your scenes ready. Like here, it gave me 23 scenes. Once we have our scenes, it's time to generate image prompts for our scenes, so we can make our video fast. For that, again, go back to the PDF, and below, you can see this image prompts option. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. Then hit next. ChatGPT will now start generating all the details. First, it will generate character prompts, because to make these types of AI videos, we need consistent images. For that, we need characters, so we can use them as references and generate consistent images every time. That's why ChatGPT provides us with character prompts first. Here, it provided us with 3 characters, and below that, all the image prompts for all the scenes. Now simply copy the first character prompt from here. For generating images, there are many tools you can use. You can use any. In my case, I am using Higgsfield AI here. Simply open Higgsfield AI, which is a first-gen AI platform. Here, you can see the images option. Simply click on it, then click on Create Image. As you can see, I've already used it many times to generate images. Now let's generate an image. For that, simply click on the prompt box and paste your prompt here. After pasting your prompt, below click on Model and choose Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the best AI models to date and is fully integrated inside Higgsfield. Next, click here and choose the 1:1 aspect ratio. After that, make sure to choose the 4K quality option from here. Then simply click on Generate, and it will start generating an image. In a few seconds, you will have your image ready. You can clearly see the quality of the image. Once you have generated your first image, it's time to generate the scene images one by one. Simply go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. You can see that no character is used here, only the environment. Now go back to Higgsfield, paste your copied prompt here, and drag and drop the environment image you just generated as a reference. Once added, simply click on Generate, and your image will start generating. Here you can see the quality of the image generated in 4K through Higgsfield. Like this, generate all the images one by one, exactly the way I did. I generated all the images this way. Now it's time to convert those images into videos, and for that, back to the PDF, and below, you can see this videos prompt. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go back to ChatGPT and paste it here. After that, hit Next, and ChatGPT will start generating video generation prompts for you. Once you have them, simply copy the first image to video prompt from here. Now go back to Higgsfield, choose your image from here, and download it from here if you haven't already. Above, you can see the video option. Simply click on it, then click on Create Video. After that, click on Upload here and upload your selected image. Below, it will ask you for a prompt. Simply paste your copied prompt here. Then make sure to turn audio on. Here, you can see multiple models. Simply choose Kling 2.6, which is the best model I have ever seen. Then choose the duration. I choose 10 seconds. After that, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, and then click on Generate. Now it will start generating a video, and in a few seconds, you will have your video ready. Simply play it and see how it looks. It looks very good. Like this, generate more videos. I also generated this one too. Simply click play and see how it looks. This video is also amazing. Now like this, generate all the videos. Once that's done, it's time to combine all the clips in any editing software. For that, I open CapCut here. Simply click on Import and import all your clips. Since this is just a tutorial, I'm using only 3 clips here. Then click on Add, and these videos will be added to your timeline. Now correct the position of each clip so it flows smoothly. After that, click on Effects and search for Vignette. Then click on it and drag it onto the timeline. Once that's done, your work is almost finished.